How to check if iPhone parts are changed or repaired. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can check if your iPhone parts are changed or repaired. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your settings. On your settings, head over to General. You'll find it right here. And now what you'll need to do is head over to the About section. So tap on About, and on About you can see the coverage option. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, you might be redirected to a web browser. Here you can see if your coverage is expired or not yet. So check for that. And the other thing that you can do to check if it's changed or repaired, what you can do is check for your serial number, check what it starts with, check what your model number starts with, and that's the other way of doing it. You'll also find an option that says parts and service history. If you tap on that, you'll find service history option. So if you see any options here such as your display and your face ID, and if you see it not working, that means that your parts might have been changed or repaired. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.